All right, what's up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you how to use the slash command on for Sonoran CAD today. The slash TS command for Sonoran CAD, that is. So you have a traffic stop here. This person has chosen to pull over at the church in front of Sandy, or in Sandy. So the first thing you're going to want to do, which is very important, is you're going to want to lock your front radar, which is going to give you your ALPR information that the vehicle is valid, that the owner is Maximilian Sampson the Fourth. So you already have that information. Now, what you're going to want to do, let's make sure I'm in. First, you need to be in the Leo side of things. So I'm going to do that really quick. If it's your first time doing Leo, yours is going to look different. I just have some extra stuff. So you're going to get into Leo. You're going to go on duty as your appropriate department for the purposes of this video. It doesn't really matter. Any Leo will do. So now that you have your front radar locked on whatever this license plate is, you can do T/TS 4-door black Charger. If you can tell how many times it is, you can put occupied times 1, and then you can just put no additional, and then hit enter. You'll hear it creates a call. So you open your CAD, and it now shows that you are on a traffic stop. It has locked in the plate here. So you have all your information. It'll tell you exactly where you're at, what postal you're at. And then when you look it up and you go to plate search, you already have this locked in here. So you can just go 44 GMK 832, hit search, records, vehicle registration. I registered this to a different person specifically for this, but Maximilian Sampson, sports, make, model, all that kind of stuff. Also, I'm going to show you how to do something really quickly. Actually, I'll make that for another video. I'll be back in a few minutes, guys, to show you how to use the /reg feature. All right, thanks guys for watching. That is how to use the /TS command in Sonoran CAD. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.